Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to your setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to connections. Okay, click or tap the connections. And okay guys, here in connection, you can see the SIM card manager. Okay, tap or click the SIM card manager. And okay guys, here in SIM card manager, you can see the SIM 1 and SIM 2. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on or off SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, okay, for my example, I turn off the SIM 1. Okay, you'll have to do is click or tap the SIM 1. And okay guys, here you can see the switch button on this SIM 1. And okay guys, to turn off this, okay, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned off. And okay guys, to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, you can turn off also the SIM 2. Okay, you'll have to do is go back and click or tap the SIM 2. And you can turn off the switch button to turn off the SIM 2. And okay guys, you can turn on again by switch on the switch button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.